My name is Michelle Senegal, and I am a master facilitator and workshop leader. What I do is I customize every workshop and every single seminar so that it meets your unique and specific needs. I work with individuals, I work with churches, I work with organizations to meet your goals and your objectives that require that people step into their greatness. So reach out to me and we'll create the workshop or the seminar that meets your unique needs and interests. My goal is to help individuals transform their lives and to help organizations to do the same. We all have a promise of what we can become. Let me help you step into that beingness. Reach me at michellesenegal.com.